Hi guys, it's Ron. Tech Tips, Tech Stuff. How's it going? Just got an email yesterday from Production Crate. They released 1 hour of free epic fantasy music. And this is a 1 hour, all free. There's no string attached. I'll put a link below. Just sign up, put a name, your username, password, and you're in. Not to mention the other tens of thousands of assets they have, from video effects to all kinds of stuff, and you'll never have to worry about copyright problems with Production Crate. Right now, it's the 21st of July, almost 5:45. Sunrise any minute. See that? I'll put some links to some sample music in I'll put some links to sample music in this video so you can check them out to see what they sound like, the tracks. They're pretty good tracks. Once again, they're all free. So hope you're having a good day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.